Alright, so today, like they said, we're going to make slime. The ingredients are, we went El Cheapo. We have
slime in here too.
glue. And we have shaving cream. And we have dish soap. Laundry soap. Okay? So, it's all poured.
Dish soap.
Yeah, I know. That's funny, huh?
And
And food coloring. We
And
have food coloring and some glitter.
glitter.
Alright.
There's some slime in here.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pour some glue in your bowls. Pour some glue in your bowls. Yep.
Dump it now.
Yep, dump it.
I want all of it.
Here, let me see it. Come here. Okay, so we finished. All the glue is in the bowls, right?
Yeah.
Now we have some water. We're going to dump a little bit
Why?
of water.
Now mix it. Where's the mix? Mommy, can we mix it? That's
Yes.
make it. Why are you putting water?
Just a little bit. Okay, now mix that.
Oh, we actually need some. Look. What? Oh, look.
Okay, now what color do you guys want? We have,
Glitter. Blue. Green.
this is yellow, green, or blue.
Green.
You want
Blue.
green?
Blue.
We have a vote for, hold on, a vote for green and a vote for blue. Y'all both want blue?
Green?
Alright, so let's see.
Nobody wants yellow.
Green, we're going to go ahead
Green. I want green. I want green.
and add
Me and Bryson want green.
like 2 drops. Literally 2 drops.
One. Tap green.
That's it, that's it.
He's not even dropping. Yeah.
Kelsey, what in the world? Alright, give this to me.
Give me
We're
that,
not
give me
coloring
that,
our
give me that,
hands.
Give me the bag.
Okay. And you're doing green tie? This thing is a mess.
Mommy,
You're doing green, just do 2 drops.
I can't do a draw because
Hold on, I will help you. 1, 2. Alright, it's okay, just don't touch your hands. Don't touch your face. You got
turn
none
blue.
in the thing, okay.
Mom,
It is-
my face is going to turn blue.
Why? What is going on? It's like leaking out the soda. What? It works. It's just leaking everywhere else, like a hole or something. It's crazy. Let me see the rag. Let me see the rag too.
Can we mix it? Mommy,
All
can we
right.
mix
Yep. Mix it in so it's a pretty color.
Me and Mommy and Bryce. Whoa! Whoa! Let's see. Look at this beautiful color. Look at my slime. Look at it. Bryson. It's like...
Right now it's like watery colored blue.
It's like white clouds. It's like white clouds. Hi, look at it.
Okay, mix yours up good. Mix it up good.
Kelsey, look at mine. Look at this. Whoa. So cool. Yeah. Okay, mix mine not like this.
Okay. Y'all ready for the next ingredient?
Yeah.
All right. Now shaving cream.
Yes. Can we dump it? Can we do it? How many drops?
I don't know. We're gonna do a lot. We're just kind of winging it. So
Can I do it?
here, ready? Squeeze the top thing.
Tell us when to stop.
Just a whole bunch.
Oh!
All right, that's good. Try that. Okay.
Let me do it.
Kelsey.
Oh my gosh, tell me when to stop. Tell me when to stop. Look, I made a towel. Look, Mommy, tell me to stop.
All right, do it.
Mommy, mix it. Mommy, do you have to mix
Yep,
it?
mix it all up good. All right, Kel, stop. Okay.
My turn. Yeah. It's hard.
Yep.
Oh my god, get the blue one. You gotta get the blue
Do
one.
it.
Whoa!
Good job.
It smells.
Okay, that's good. Stop.
It smells like.
Very good. All right, mix it up good. Mix it up. Ooh, I smell it. It kind of smells good.
Yeah, it smells good. It smells like mint.
It smells mints. It smells like shaving cream. Shaving cream.
It is shaving cream.
That's all I smell.
I need more drops of
Just mix it up good. You'll see. We'll put more food coloring in it. Let's just see how it does.
Take rainbow yellow and
Yummy.
Good thing
Ooh, I said yum. We're not eating it. Just mix it good. All right, put it down. Mix, mix, mix.
Any more? Look, it's like a white cloud. Yeah. Like a white cloud.
Hold the bowl. Hold the bowl.
All of ours is like all different colored gummy bears. Whoa! Yeah, you see?
You said like a gummy bear, Kels?
What?
You said it was like a gummy bear?
Yeah. All of them are because it needs color.
It's a good thick consistency. Okay, everybody's mixed good. Look at the mess.
Grayson.
Oh my
All
goodness.
of the slime.
He is
It's on the
making
table.
such a mess.
Mommy, what are you doing?
I know. Okay,
Oh
so
my gosh.
one more ingredient.
Look at this.
You ready for the last ingredient?
Yes. Yes.
The liquid laundry detergent. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time.
Mix it.
Alright, just a little bit, and I'll mix it. And we're gonna add a little bit at a time until it becomes slime.
Mommy, make some.
Okay?
Make some. It's good. Do you smell that?
Okay, it should make it smell good. Alright, mix it up good. It should start to turn into slime, and if not, we'll just add a little more.
No, it's still sticking. This is not working.
Yeah, so I'm gonna call this a fail. We're not even gonna add glitter because it did not work. So maybe the ratio to shaving cream was too much, or we need more glue. At this point, it just looks like colored shaving cream. And it is super, super sticky.
Yeah, we did for this. Can we
mean,
add
it's
some
like
in here? Because this one's
Not even
watery.
remotely like,
Yeah, Mom, can you put some shaving cream in here?
huh?
Put some shaving cream in this one.
Yeah, we can try.
Yeah.
Well, I guess if anybody has any suggestions
First,
to
I
help,
need to take the slime off.
we used all the glue that we have, so I think I will make a return trip to the store and get some more glue and see how that works.
Now we're going to go back to the store.
Yeah, we're going to have to go back to the store and
Give me the rag.
try some more glue.
I need the rag too.
Here, it's right here.
Let's do this now.
Well, so this is a fail video. Do not do this.
It's crazy. We need to go back to the store.
Alrighty, well it was fun. How do you like your colored shaving cream?
Good. I love it. I love it. Yeah,
So
but
we'll just
it did not turn out good.
save these, and we're gonna try to turn it into slime at some point. I'm not sure. We don't have borax or anything, so I don't know what to add. So just comment below if you can help us out.
Buy some borax.
No, but that's poison stuff. I don't like it.
I know you can't touch it.
Yeah, you don't want that. I don't want that stuff with y'all. Alrighty, well.
Good thing we never got poison ivy on us. I'm gonna put some shaving cream.
What are you doing?
I'm making shaving. No, don't. I need more shaving cream.
No, you don't.
I need shaving cream for my slime.
Alright, guys. What do we say?
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our video.
And hit the like button, or, if you like fail videos. And like I said, comment to help us out, because we need help, please. Alright, guys. Bye. Thank you.